Today is Tuesday, June 27th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado unleaded gas cap. Okay, and this is what the original period correct gas cap looks like, unlike these aftermarket ones. Okay, the original Eldorado gas cap has this ratcheting impression embossed into the cap, and we have the ratcheting effect once we achieve proper closure. Okay, so this is a very small item. Obviously it's not anything significant, but for the serious Cadillac enthusiast who wants a fully original car, and if they're going to be having their car judged, they want to have an original gas cap and not these unsightly aftermarket ones. So this is what the original 1976 Cadillac Eldorado unleaded gas cap looks like with the ratcheting feature. Okay, today is Tuesday, June 27th. This is George in Florida. This is going to be going to Mr. Hurd for his fuel-injected 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. Earlier I posted the fully restored gas tank. Okay, and this is an additional augmentation that helps you bring the vehicle one step closer to a period-correct concours quality car. Today is Tuesday, June 27th. Thank you very kindly. This is